Hi there, this is Rebecca. Thanks for coming by. I have been trying to figure out what's going on with my YouTube for a while now. And, I was thinking, oh, well, I'll do something about the house. But then that never really drove me to actually make the videos. I had reworked this as just try with Rebecca because as a teacher, this is something that I'm always having my students do. Just try it. If you are scared of a process, just try it. If you don't think you can do something, just try it because you probably can. And so that is going to be my main focus. I have some very exciting news that I will be sharing in the next video. And so that will be coming out in the beginning of July. But what this video is about is I am teaching a summer workshop. So this is coming up here at 5080 Camp. It's in Graeagle, California, and it's a lovely little town. There's a little area where there's a place to go swimming. There is a lovely little town that is just quintessential, it's back in the hills of California. And this workshop is basically a painting workshop. So my background is in painting, and what I'm teaching in this workshop is basically how to start off with what's called an underpainting. And so I'll go into that in just a minute. So if we're looking at the screen here, basically you can see that this is a bunch of paintings I have set up. I've got my paint ready, my palette ready. And this is the dates for it. So it's coming right up. I didn't realize how quickly this was coming. So it's July 11th and 12th. So it's a Saturday and Sunday. And you would find a place to stay around town. There are some camping in the area too. So you can always contact Jerry for that information. And but then you come and spend 2 days learning how to draw and paint with me. So basically 5080 Camp has a bunch of workshops that they have throughout the summer. This will be my third workshop there. I've really enjoyed going there over the summer. And so I had created these paintings based off of buying my first home and what are, the things that I see around me. And so there was always these piles, there was electricity that was redone. And so I'd taken photos and thought these would be a great way to kind of document this part of my life. And so basically I have my printout of my image and then I draw out what I see. So what I'll be doing, excuse me, frog. What I'll be doing in the workshop is showing you how to draw your basics first, getting that set up, and then going into the underpainting. So an underpainting is basically when you're starting off with a warm mid-tone that is going to be where you build up from and take away from. Having a warm tone helps to give it a richness, and it is basically like your practice. Because a lot of people fear, okay, well, what if I paint it wrong? Well, it doesn't really matter. You can build it, right? If you don't like something, you paint over it. And that's kind of the exciting part about paint. And I really try and push for people not to focus on making what they think is the perfect thing first. You gotta let that go. It's about editing and kind of seeing, and I'll be training you how to be able to look at things and understanding them basically by, moving things around. So these are kind of going along with that same format where I started off with brown underpainting. Now I'm adding a cool, darker value to it that really helps to start establish the values even more. And then I get to have fun with color. So I had woven this shawl the last workshop I hosted at 5080, and I thought it was really fun with the colors, and I thought that'd be a great color format to use for these paintings. So I mixed colors based off of what was here and then found areas for them in the piece. So paint and color is such an exciting thing to jump into because there's so many options. You don't have to paint exactly what you see. It's amazing what focusing on warm and cool values can do to a piece. And we had a faculty show, and so on display I had my scarf and then the paintings. And so you can see my joy here of making sure these were done in time for the show and being able to display my more recent interests of weaving, but with my background of painting. And in some of these, I combined kind of the texture of the weaving into some of the pieces. Here, this is, I think, my favorite piece from the show because I love the warmth and the coolness with the piece. And so you can see here, I took the kind of the idea, the concept of a woven aspect and used that as a decorative element with the work. And so I try and work kind of quickly with this because you'd be very surprised at what you're able to get by just being loose and being able to build up kind of the switch between the warmth and the cools of the pieces. So come join me. So this is from the workshop last summer with the weaving workshop I did there. And it's a lovely space. We'll be set up outside. Lily, my friend here to the left, she will be teaching a basketry workshop at the same time. So it'll be a great group of people there for that. And basically we'll be sitting outside. So we're not going to be painting my interiors. We're going to be sitting outside. I'm going to show you structure on how to be able to do this. I'm going to give you confidence to be able to try things out because you can just try, right? And that doesn't hurt and you'll be really surprised at what you're capable of. Okay, I hope to see you there. And next video comes out soon with very exciting news. Okay, bye.